A year after Bobby Christina Brown's death, the Fulton County judge says longtime boyfriend Nick Gordon is civilly liable. Gordon also failed to show up for an important hearing today. Here to talk about the decision and the repercussions, we have attorney Pate. Thank you very much for coming in, especially on a Friday.
Oh, absolutely.
Appreciate it. So civilly liable, we're not talking about criminal.
No.
What does this mean exactly for Nick Gordon?
Well, it means that the judge has found that he is liable to the plaintiffs, the Brown family, for the death, but there's been no determination of what actually happened. The judge basically said, you know, Mr. Gordon did not participate in this litigation. He didn't respond to discovery requests. He didn't show up to court when he was ordered to show up. So I'm going to strike his answer and find that he's liable. But there's been no determination of what really happened.
He hasn't shown up not only today, but
Right.
at prior instances as well. You mentioned the lack of communication. What message is he sending the court with that?
That he doesn't care and that he's not going to put up a fight. Initially, his lawyers tried to get the judge to put the case on hold, to wait until the criminal investigation had been completed and when he knew he was not going to face any criminal charges. The judge said, I'm not going to do that. There's no pending criminal case. I don't know how long this investigation can go, so we're going to move forward with this civil case, and you're either going to respond to this lawsuit and these discovery requests for evidence, or you're not. And if you don't, then I'm just going to hold you liable.
So a judge making that decision today, but now a jury will decide damages.
Right. The judge has decided that the jury can make a determination of exactly how much money he's going to owe the Brown estate based on the death. So there'll be no question in front of the jury as to whether or not he did it or how it happened, just how much money he's going to have to pay.
And if Nick Gordon can't pay?
Well, then there's just going to be a big judgment, and no money will ever change hands.
Again, we're talking about civil court, a civil case right now. What about the criminal potential charges?
Well, to the extent there is still a criminal investigation, I think that's unclear. But this civil decision, the judge's decision to hold him legally responsible in the civil case, will have absolutely no bearing at all on any criminal charges.
And what type of a timeline are we looking at right now for criminal?
Statute of limitations for murder is indefinite. There is no time period. So I don't know how active the investigation is. I don't even know if they anticipate ever bringing charges. So there's a lot of uncertainty as far as the criminal charges.
Okay, but this, again, civilly liable today, that from the Fulton County Courthouse today.
Yes.
Pate, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, guys, thank you. Mayor Reed.